sa mga fellow breeders, livestock racers, at aking mga customers na Bobby Cruz, Fritz Abad, at Zborn Marvin Angkanan. This is the demo for Excellent Incubator 50 capacity semi-automatic. My name is Carlo, owner of Excellent Incubators and Razor Game Farm. Today, papakita ko sa inyo kung paano gamitin yung Excellent Incubator 50 semi-automatic. Makikita nyo, we have a switch here and the light is now open. Okay. The light is still open right now and what you will need to check kung aabot po ba siya ng 39 degrees. So, we need to open the door ng incubator and check the insiders at thermometer showing 38 for the meantime, nasa 38 pa lang siya sa thermometer. So, we need to wait kung aabot siya ng 39. In this case, kailangan nyo isara yung incubator. Pag hindi siya umabot ng 39 degrees, kailangan, for example, namatay siya at wala pang 39 degrees. You need to open the thermostat and wait for it to reach 39 degrees. In the case na nakuha nyo nang umabot na siya ng 39 degrees, that means nakuha nyo na yung correct setting ng incubator. For this case naman, na umabot na siya ng 39, you need to wait for it to open to 37. So, sa 37 degrees na nag-open siya, that means okay na uli yung setting. Two things lang, 37 to 39 degrees ang tatandaan nyo. Pag pakana ng thermostat, that means open. Pag pakaliwa naman, sasara nyo. Once it's already set, we call this automatic thermostat and semi-automatic turner. Ibig sabihin, 4 to 5 times in a day kailangan ma-turn ng egg. Sa umaga, sa tanghali, sa hapon, or sa gabi. So, that's the time na gagamitin nyo na itong switch na red. Okay. For example, morning na. Kailangan nyo na i-turn. From the left side, ito-turn nyo siya papunta sa right. You can see the roller na iniikot nyo yung egg. Okay, you need to shut it off. Kasi semi-automatic siya. And that, after certain period, umabot na kayo ng lunch, ipapaikot nyo siya ulit. Dadalhin nyo naman siya sa kabilang side, sa left side. There. So, nasa left side na siya. Make sure that the water pan always has water. The instructions are here. Excellent Incubator Manual, which I also did. Nakalagay dito, on the first day na nakita nyo yung itlog, you need to wait for another day. The following day, mailagay na siya kagad sa incubator para maiwasan ng pagkakasira ng itlog. Other instructions and secret in the egg hatching, you will also read in here pag bumili na kayo ng Excellent Incubator. The water pan, you need to put water up to this area. Kailangan puno siya. In a span of 4 days, maaaring mauubos na siya. You need to make sure na hindi siya natutuyo. Kasi makaka-apekto yun sa egg hatching. Always make sure those two things. The thermostat is in the right 37 to 39 at ang water ay laging puno. To reach 100% hatching, kagaya na sinabi ng mga customers natin. And for this case, nakikita nyo na merong screw dito, that's the separate hatcher. So tatanggalin nyo yung screw over here and the screw dito naman sa kabilang side para magamit yung separate hatcher yung left side. So this is 24 hatcher and 30 plus setter. More than 50 capacity ang ibibigay sa inyo. At ang pagtanggal nyo na ito, sa 19 days, ilalagay nyo na dito ang itlog sa hatcher. Okay? So, happy hatching to everyone. You'll get everything that you need here in the manual instructions. Again, you can call me in 0915-505-9425 for any inquiries. Again, this is Niel Carlo Abelo of Excellent Incubators and Razor Game Farm. God bless.